Hello guys again and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to prevent someone from seeing your Facebook Reels. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you want to prevent someone specifically from seeing your Facebook Reels, you can follow these steps. So first thing you're gonna do is open your Facebook app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile photo on the left corner. Then scroll down and press on the Reels section. Now, tap on the reel that you want to hide from somebody. Let's try this one. Then, tap on the three dot icon on the bottom right corner. Then press Edit Privacy. Now, you can see here that you can change it, and there's an option that there is friends except from. Now, you can choose from this list of your friends that you wanted to prevent somebody or someone to seeing your reel. So, for example, this one. So, just go back and you can see here that there's the name of the person. So, you will just go back from it and now it will be automatically saved. So, after completing the steps, the person you have specified will not be able to see your reel on Facebook. However, keep in mind that they may still be able to see the reel if someone else shares it with them. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.